Hey everybody, Evan with the Graniac here. I'm starting up my Masterbuilt 1050 smoker, and I figured if I'm starting that up, I'm gonna fill it up. So I got a rubbed pork shoulder here. I had some homemade sausage there. I have a pre-smoked cooked ham, and I've been brining some chicken wings overnight that I had in the freezer for a while. So smoker's pretty big, so when I start it up, I like to grab all the proteins I can and throw them on, and then I can repackage them and freeze them if I want to, or have a big meal. Spreading out the chicken wings, I ended up doing them 3 different ways after they were smoked. Then I rubbed them in sauces and finished them in the oven to crisp them up a little bit. The ham, I didn't leave on there for too long. Right now I have the grill set at, there you go, had it set at 250, and the sausages cooked all the way up to 165 in about 4 hours. The ham I took off in about 2 hours with the glaze. And here you go. Wings are done. Sausages are about done. I don't show finished product of those, but here's the pork shoulder. I finished that in the oven with a pan of water. Keep it moist and it pulls right apart. If you want recipes, more techniques, more about my 1050, leave it in the comments below. Just showing a quick video that I am still doing things. Ooh, bone pulls right out. But if you want more cooking videos, just let me know. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and I will talk to you all soon. And it pulls right apart. After the video, I got my hands in there and mushed it all up, so it turned out really well. And the flavor and the bark was good on it too. All right, everybody. Thanks again.